Dearest heart, your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. So, it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what's important. You already know that these distractions are, and you have the power to responsibly block them out. Please speak to me clearly, Lord. Open my ears to hear your voice. Open my heart to commune with you more deeply. I want to feel your loving embrace. Open the doors that need to be opened and close the doors that need to be closed. Please set my feet upon the straight and narrow road that leads to everlasting life. Amen. 888. The universe will send our life-changing opportunity by the end of this month. Keep your energy high by trusting the signs and radiating good vibes. Type 888 if you agree, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.